I'm Randy Burt. We're at the William Travis Post American Legion in Mayville for the 5th annual Jack Carlson Lawnmower Poker Run for Hospice. You're watching Destination Chautauqua County.
Hi, my name is Debbie Prezapora and I'm a nurse for Hospice and very proud of it. Today is our 5th annual tractor run for Hospice in memory of Jack Carlson. He was lived right 2 doors down from the Legion here in Mayville. He was very supportive of anyone in need of having their lawns mowed or anything, taking them to Roswell or what they needed. He passed on Hospice, and we do this in memory of Jack for all the nice things he had done for our community. We pull out of the Legion here at noon, and it rains every year, so come on, it's a very family-oriented event. We have the Chinese auction, raffle tickets. We have happy socks. Happy socks for Hospice. You can wear them or you can put them on someone's feet and make them happy for the day. Everyone asks about what Hospice is for. It's not just for cancer patients. We hear that all the time. It's for anyone in need of our organization. We have RNs, LPNs, aides, social workers, chaplains. We have music therapy. We have massage therapy. Anything your family member might need. We have a bereavement program that is open to anyone in the community, whether they've been on Hospice or not. We have a lot of children involvement that someone has passed and they need a little helping hand to understand the death of a loved one. The organization is wonderful to work for and the people are wonderful to work with. So come and enjoy the event. It's a great day. And if you don't come this year, we will see you next year. We have it the same Saturday every year, the Saturday after Labor Day. And people start pulling into the parking lot about 9, but we pull out at noon, so you want to come early to register. Thank you so much.
As we split up, we have captains, and we split up into teams because we found out once we started getting busy that everybody went to one place at one time, and we just overran the whole place. So we go off like a shotgun start in golf. Tom Carlson's going to go off first with the red team, Marty Bova second with the white team, and then I lead the blue team, and we split up and we hit all the spots during the day.
Jack Carlson Memorial Lawnmower Run to benefit Hospice Chautauqua County. A wonderful organization which I'm privileged to work for and have worked here for 11 years, helping move the mission forward to provide quality end-of-life care to our friends and neighbors here in Chautauqua County. Hospice has been around in Chautauqua County for around 20 years, and we take care of lovingly, kindly, and quite expertly about 700 people and their families every year as they approach the end of life. Events like the Jack Carlson Memorial Lawnmower Run helps support the cost of care for those who have terminal diagnoses. We're able to do all matters of support and additive kinds of treatments like massage therapy, physical therapy, occupational therapy, music therapy, art therapy, and provide people in the homes to help support families as they take care of their loved ones at the end of life. We're pleased to be here. We thank the Carlson family and everyone here at the Legion in Mayville for sponsoring this event.
Hello, my name's Mary Carlson. This affair here today is in memory of my husband, Jack, and it's a lively affair today, and we try to do a lot of things to sell money to give to hospice, which of course is our life-saving. And there goes whatchadiddle. So as I said, what we do is these sacks are a money-making situation. People buy them. They're wonderful. They're colorful. I really don't know who makes them, but whoever did a good job. Of course, none of them match. I don't think they're supposed to. But there's any color here that you want, and the profit goes to hospice. So thank you very much for the opportunity.
Hi, my name is Tom Prezapora. This is a shirt that everybody comes here, they can donate, and they write their name on it, and at the end of the event, we auction it off. This has been a very popular piece that we've done every year thus far, and it's just something fun to do. Another fun thing that we do.
I'm Ron Sellers. I'm president of Hospice Chautauqua County. If you have any need for hospice care, you're interested in supporting an event, we can be reached at 753-5383. The office is located at 20 West Fairmount Avenue in Lakewood, New York, and there is an office in Fredonia on Main Street, or on our website, www.hospicechautco.org.